Hello and thanks for watching Gary Teaches Maths. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel High Tier paper from June 2018 and this is paper 3. We're on question 10 and this is a question about LCMs, lowest common multiples. So what we've been given is we've got 3 lamps, lamp A, lamp B and lamp C. And we're told that lamp A flashes every 20 seconds, lamp B flashes every 45 seconds, and lamp C flashes every 120 seconds. So we're told that the 3 lamps start to flash at the same time, and we're asked how many times in 1 hour will the 3 lamps flash at the same time. So the first thing that we can do is we can simplify the question, because we notice that if lamp A is flashing every 20 seconds and lamp C is flashing every 120 seconds, then because 120 is a multiple of 20, every time lamp C flashes, lamp A is also going to flash. We can just look at that here. We can say if they both start at 0 seconds, and then the next time lamp A will flash will be 20, then it'll be 40, 60, 80, 100, and then continuing to go up in steps of 20, it'll be 120 seconds. Well, that would be the same time lamp C flashes for the second time. So we can really discount lamp A and just look at lamps B and C, because whenever they flash at the same time, we can guarantee that lamp A will also be flashing because it flashes at the same time as lamp C. So what we're looking for then is the lowest common multiple, or multiples in fact, of 45 and 120. And the way we can do that is to draw a factor tree for both 45 and 120. So we split the 45 into 2 numbers which multiply to give us 45. So we can say, well, that would be 9 and 5 would be one example. Because 5 is a prime number, we circle it, and then we can then break down the 9 into 2 further divisions, which is 3 times 3 would give us 9, and they are also prime numbers, so we stop there. So we can say that lamp B, the 45, so 45 seconds for lamp B, is a multiple of 3 times 3 times 5. That's 45, could be written as that. If we do the same for 120, then we could start off by saying 120 is 2 times 60, and so the 2 could be circled because that's a prime number. Then we look at the 60, that would be 2 times 30, again circle the 2 because that's a prime number. Then we take the 30, again 2 and times 15. Now we've got to find the factors of 15, and we could say that would be 3 times 5. So they can both be circled because they're also prime numbers. So we can say that as a multiple of its prime numbers, then we could say that 120 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Then there's a good method using a Venn diagram which we can use in order to find the lowest common multiple of both the 45 and the 120. And that is, if we express it, or we write them on a Venn diagram, then we could represent the 45 as one of the circles and the 120 as another one. So what we do is anything that's in both of these, then we write in the center. So we can see we've got 5 in both, so we're going to write a 5 in the center. We can also see we've got a 3 in both, so we're going to write a 3 in the center. And then what isn't in both, we just write in the respective circle. So the 2 times 2 times 2, we write there for the 120. So 2, 2, 2. And what wasn't in the center for the 45 is just this 3 here. And we're going to put that there. Then if we multiply all these numbers that I've written on this Venn diagram together, so we get 3 times 3 times 5 times the 3 2's, that will give us the lowest common multiple of 45 and 120. So if we work that out, that actually turns out to be 360. So what this is telling us is that every 360 seconds, lamps A, B, and C will be flashing at the same time. And we're asked how many times in 1 hour will all the 3 lamps flash at the same time. So it's easier really to convert this into minutes, otherwise we're dealing with a lot bigger numbers. So we can say, well, in minutes, then 360 seconds would be written as 360 divided by 60, because there's 60 seconds in 1 minute, and that ends up being 6. So we now got it a bit simplified. We can say that every 6 minutes, these 3 lamps will be flashing at the same time. Then what we can just do is say, well, in 1 hour, how many minutes have we got? And in 1 hour, we've got 60 minutes. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So if we divide the 60 there by 6 minutes, then what we'll find is the number of times the lamps will flash in 1 hour. So we say 60 over 6 is going to be equal to 10. So that means the lamps flash 10 times every hour. And that's it. We've done it. So I hope that's been helpful to you. If it has, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, which is Gary Teaches Maths. And also for more videos and help about maths or articles about maths, visit our website, which is appearing at the top of the page now, which is bestmathstutors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.